Hey, did you know there's a nutrient hiding in your breakfast that could be protecting your brain? Right now, I'm talking about choline. Most people have never even heard of it, but trust me, your brain knows when it's missing. So, here's the deal. A new study in the journal looked at folks in their 30s and found those with lower choline levels showed signs of faster brain aging. That's wild, right? Even more interesting, people with obesity had less choline in their blood. Plus, their brains showed more markers linked to damage. Why does choline matter? Well, it helps your brain make acetylcholine, a key molecule for memory, mood, and muscle control. Not enough choline, and things start to get foggy. Plus, choline helps reduce inflammation and keep certain bad proteins, like homocysteine, in check. Too much homocysteine, and your risk for Alzheimer's could rise. But here's the kicker. Most Americans get only half of the choline they need every day. Guys, you need about 550 milligrams daily. For women, it's around 400 to 450. So where do you find it? Think beef liver, eggs, top round beef, roasted soybeans, even chicken breast. Just one large hard-boiled egg? That packs 147 milligrams of choline. So if you're an egg for breakfast person, you're already on the right track. Of course, this study was pretty small, don't expect miracles overnight. But if you want your brain to stay sharp, choline is absolutely worth adding to your plate. Give your brain a boost tomorrow morning, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite choline-rich breakfast? Don't forget to subscribe for more smart health tips just like this.